Brian Bendig, Cavalier Tool here in Windsor, Ontario. It's been one heck of a year, 2020, lots going on. COVID has certainly thrown us some curveballs, but very proud of what we've done and what we've accomplished. Big year for myself and the company, 45 years. November the 17th, today is my birthday and Cavalier's birthday. Very proud for what we've accomplished and where we've gotten, and I just want to say thanks to everybody for all the help.
It's been 45 years since Cavalier opened its doors on November 17th, 1975. We've had a storied existence. There have been ups and there have been downs, none of them quite so much as what we've experienced in the last year. It's been a great celebration. We've had record sales. Our team is bigger and stronger than ever, and we're celebrating our 45th amongst our team members. Happy birthday to everybody here, and happy birthday to Brian. Happy birthday.
It's celebration time at Cavalier Tool. We are fortunate to be celebrating 45 years of business and Brian Bendig's 45th birthday. Cavalier has had a great year. We are extremely blessed and fortunate, and we want to take this opportunity to be able to celebrate these successes with our employees. We have lots going on, and the future holds a lot more for Cavalier Tool. So happy anniversary, Cavalier Tool, and happy birthday, Brian Bendig.